We're going to break our own record and create a brand new membership site from scratch with complete products and everything ready within 48 seconds. So we're going to start timer and first import products from our Amazon S3 folder bucket. It's the same process if you use Google Drive or Dropbox. So I'm going to add 5 products imported in just 17 seconds and going to create a new funnel, which is a new membership site. The new membership site is created and I'm going to add the products that I have just imported from S3 account. In 35 seconds, the products are added. Now going to the domain section, make it public access so I can show you quickly. And boom, within 48 seconds, the complete membership site is ready. Now you can access the products. If you click on the player, a pop-up will open and the modules will run. It can be PDF, it can be image, and you can download it from this download button. That's it. It took only 48 seconds to create a complete membership site from scratch.